Hey there, it's Marty Fraser, the bearded realtor with Bosley Real Estate. Today, Amy, Bryce, and I are showcasing our next listing here at 219 Reed Place in the Village of Ayr. This great single detached home has a double-car garage, is on a family-friendly court, has a covered front porch, and more importantly, an in-ground pool. Let's go in and have a look around. Plenty of parking in your concrete driveway, along with 2 more spots in the garage. The home is just under 2,000 square feet, plus the fully finished walkout basement. We have 5 bedrooms, 3 on the upper level, 2 in the lower level, 3.5 bathrooms, and it's the perfect size home for that couple with a growing family or for a multi-generational family. The kitchen has dark cabinetry. We have granite countertops, 4 stainless steel appliances, a tumbled stone backsplash, pot drawers, and a pantry. Connected to the kitchen, we have the dinette with hardwood floors. Walking through the front door and to the left, we have the separate living room dining room combination, both with hardwood floors. At the back of the home, we have the family room with hardwood floors, gas fireplace, vaulted ceiling, and a garden door to the upper level deck. Access from the garage leads to this large mudroom with closet and laundry area. The primary suite with ceiling fan is a good size. We also have a walk-in closet and the 4-piece ensuite. Still at the upper level, we have 2 more bedrooms, both with carpet, and the family bathroom. According to Google Maps, 219 Reed Place in Ayr is just 2 minutes from Gus and Guido's, 3 minutes to the Ayr Curling Club, 5 minutes to the North Dumfries Community Center, and 8 minutes to the 401 at Cedar Creek Road. At the lower level, we have 2 additional bedrooms, 1 with a gas fireplace, and this rec room area that leads to the sunroom. Work from home now? Check out this large office area in the lower level. The sunroom is a great spot to relax, organize your food, snacks, cocktails, and set up your music before you head out to the pool. Here we are in the rear yard. We have this great in-ground pool, a concrete walkway, and plenty of room to dine and relax in the 2 areas of seating. Wasn't that a spectacular home? Tons of finished square footage, perfect for the large family or the multi-generational family with plenty of bedrooms and bathrooms, but more importantly, a great summertime backyard. Are you interested in this home? Please call me to set up an appointment. I'd love to meet you in person, shake your hand, and bring you through this great home.